Last time we worked back here, we noticed that the pass-through access was broken off. So I ordered a replacement. Before I get to that, I wanted to show these alternating V-blocks that I used to keep rodents from coming in here. There's a little hole there, and those little babies could crawl up in there. So with these V-blocks, it adds a layer of protection. Plus, when it's outside at a campground, I zip tie some Brillo pad on the outside here as an added precaution. Let's go ahead and take this panel out of here and replace it with a good one. I'm going to disconnect the power, pull the cable through, it's not in the way. These cords laying on the ground attract a lot of dirt when you bring them in. That's our replacement. Try to match up the holes as best as possible. This actually has a little basin back here. I could put the Brillo on the cable inside there instead of zip tying it to the outside. I like that. That's a pleasant surprise. Go ahead and put everything back and check the sulfite to-do list. What the? Well, that's unfortunate. What I thought was a good idea turns out to work against me. Nothing is simple. had to mangle the bottom so I could get the cord through here. It said it's for 50 amp service, which is bullshit. That's not for 50 amp. It wouldn't fit. So this is for 30 amp service. They sold it as a 50 amp. Usual bullshit you get from Amazon these days. Anyway, made it to work. I didn't want to deal with returns and all that other crap. Once it's in, put a nice bead, sealant all the way around. Keep any dust from working its way in here while you're driving down the road. I left enough of those plastic fingers in the bottom of the cup to hold this Brillo pad here. So I can still use it for its intended purpose. But it would have been a better fit for its the actual. Right now, I really miss Bezos. That bald-headed goon at Amazon running like a clock. Right now, Amazon's just a little bit worse than the eBay. Fucking morons. All right. That there. I'm going to keep using my V-blocks because it secures the cable as well as protect the intruders. You can't pull this cable out in case somebody wants to steal it. Okay, job's done. Apologize for the rant and raving. Sometimes it just gets to me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. Until next time, ciao for now. Ciao.